Hello everyone, this is our group work from the contemporary world. And as you can see, we choose ASEAN integration as our topic. With my group members, Brian Morales, Lolis Solda, Shermals Cansilao, Joe Kalimag. Background study of ASEAN. ASEAN is a political and economic union of 10 Southeast Asian countries: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam, and it was established during 1967. Objective of the ASEAN. The ASEAN Declaration states the aims and purposes of the association are: 1. To accelerate economic growth, social progress, and cultural development in the region. 2. To promote regional peace and stability through abiding respect for justice and the rule of law in the relationship among countries in the region and adherence to the principles of the United Nations Charter. Principles of ASEAN. ASEAN members states adhere to 6 fundamental principles as contained in the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia, TAC of 1976. 1. Mutual respect for the independence, sovereignty, equality, territorial integrity, and national identity of all nations. 2. The right of every state to lead its national existence free from external interference, subversion, or coercion. 3. Non-interference in the internal affairs of one another. 4. Settlement of differences or disputes by peaceful means. 5. Renunciation of the threat or use of force. And number 6, effective cooperation among themselves.
What are the pillars of ASEAN? The pillars of ASEAN refer to the 3 main pillars aimed at promoting integration, progress, and unity among ASEAN members. The goal of the ASEAN organization is to establish a peaceful, stable, and prosperous community. Pillars of ASEAN. ASEAN is composed of 3 pillars which work together to achieve the organization's goals. Number 1, ASEAN Political Security Community, APSC, focuses on promoting regional peace and stability through abiding respect for justice and the rule of law, and adherence to the principles of the United Nations Charter. 2. ASEAN Economic Community, AEC, aims to create a single market and production base promoting free trade and investment and accelerating economic growth through social development. Number 3. ASEAN Sociocultural Community, ACCC, emphasizes the development of a responsible and helping society, promoting cultural exchange, education, and social welfare, and fostering a sense of ASEAN identity and community. These pillars are interconnected and mutually reinforcing, with the ultimate goal of achieving an ASEAN community that is peaceful, stable, and prosperous.
Benefits of ASEAN: facilitate the movement of goods, service, investment, capital, and skills, increase trade, goods and service, and investment among member states, promote and expand regional production, sharing and network, promote higher level of transparency and predictability.
The challenges facing ASEAN could be classified into 6 broad categories. First, the shifting balance of power in the Asia Pacific. Second, the persistence of Asian territorial conflicts. Third, the territorial dispute in the South China Sea. Fourth, the programs of military modernizations undertaken by Asian states and the resulting prospects for an intra-Asian arms race. Fifth, uncertainty and strife caused by demands for domestic political change. And the last is the dangers posed by transnational non-traditional security threats. The impact of ASEAN policies on trade, regional security, and cultural exchange. At the regional level, ASEAN plays a key role in facilitating dialogue and shaping economic policies among its member states and external partners. Through mechanisms such as the ASEAN Economic Community, the organization aligns national priorities with broader regional objectives.
The future of ASEAN in addressing emerging regional and global. As ASEAN move forward, shaping its future and safeguarding its regional interests require a comprehensive strategy. Yung mga comprehensive strategy na maaari pang ma-improve or maaring gawin ay strengthening regional identity, collective leadership, shared citizenship, community, resilience, and cultivating 21st century skills. By prioritizing yung mga nabanggit po kanina na strategy, by prioritizing strengthen regional identity, collective leadership, shared citizenship, community, resilience, and cultivating 21st century skills. Ito po yung mga strategy na maaari pang gawin or maaring iplano. ASEAN can navigate the changing global dynamics successfully. These strategies will enable ASEAN to enhance its standing in the global community, foster regional prosperity, and ensure a brighter future for its member states and citizens. Yung mga strategies po ay makakatulong sa ASEAN upang mas ma-enhance pa yung mga global community, foster regional prosperity, and ensure a brighter future for its member states and citizens.